Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful puff stitch square motif under the series Granny Squares, and it is titled as French Square. It uses puff stitches in the second round, double crochets and chains in the first round, and in the third round you have double crochets, treble crochets and picot. So this is of intermediate level. Let us go into the video without much delay friends. Chain 8, slip stitch and form a ring and secure it with a chain. Now place one double crochet, or you can chain 4. Chain 4 will count as one double crochet and chain 1 space. One double crochet, chain 1, one double crochet, chain 1, one double crochet 11 times. So totally we will have 12 double crochets and 12 chain 1 spaces. So complete, I shall make one more time, chain 1 and a double crochet. So totally in the ring we require 12 doubles separated by 12 chain 1 spaces. Okay, complete that. I shall also complete and get back. I have come to the end of this round here. I have slip stitched. Now slip stitch to the chain space. Chain 3. Yarn over, insert the hook in the space, pick up the loop, pull it high, yarn over again one more time. So pull, yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook. Chain 2. Make a puff in the next chain 1 space, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop. Totally 4 times you have to do. Yarn over, insert the hook under the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert again. Now yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Chain 2, sorry, chain 3, because we are going to the corner now. And place a treble in the DC adjacent to this. This is the first corner. So, and I have placed on the every fourth DC a stitch marker where I have to make my corners. Okay, that is easier to work with. Now chain 3 again. Place a puff stitch in the very next chain space. 4 times you have to do. Pull through all the loops on the hook. Now chain 2, puff in the next, chain 2, puff in the next, and then corner one treble here. Chain 3 and make the treble. Chain 3, go over to the puff in the next 3. Okay, continue this way. I shall finish this and show you. Chain 2, again a puff here. 1, 2, 3. If you feel working 4 times is thicker puff, you can reduce it to 3 times. Chain 2, now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, because we have to work a corner. Treble in the DC. We are not working the corner in the chain space, but we are working the corner in the double crochet. So this is how the side and the corner will look like at the end of this round. Continue placing your puffs in the corners. I shall get back when I complete my last stitch here. I have placed my last puff stitch here. Now slip stitch to chain 2 and slip stitch to the very first puff stitch that we made here. Chain 2, directly place 4 doubles in the 3 chains. You're not placing any stitches here. Chain 2 and a treble on the treble. Now let us make a picot. Chain 3 and slip stitch to the very first stitch here. Chain 2, yeah, 4 doubles in the next chain 3 space. Chain 2, slip stitch into the middle puff. Chain 2, again place the corner in this manner, and every side is worked in this manner. So 4 DCs, chain 2, treble, puff, picot, chain 2, 4 DCs, chain 2 and a slip stitch here. Continue the round like this in this manner and complete it. I shall also complete and get back to you. I have come to the last part and I have placed my last stitch here, last 4 DCs, chain 2, now slip stitch to the first slip stitch and fasten off. So I'll fasten this off later. Here we go. Here we have the pattern French square. This is titled as French square. So hope you enjoyed this this pattern, friends. I shall be back with another pattern in the next video. Before that, a request, please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon, as you will be notified of the videos that we upload very often and every day, almost every day this year. Okay, and do like and share them too. Bye for now, friends. Have a great day.